Coming up to see Kevin's brand new Zen garden for Myrtle the turtle. This is Katie's birthday present. Her 30th birthday is next weekend.
Hello.
Hi. All right.
Hi.
Oh, look at there. It's come a long way.
Yep.
Hasn't he done a good job now? Or should I say you and he?
Mostly Kevin, right?
Mostly Kevin? Isn't it pretty?
I dug a little.
Has Myrtle had a chance to check it out yet?
Yeah, she's over there.
She been inside of it?
No, I have to treat the water first.
Oh. Where's Kevin?
She's in the shed.
Not finished with that yet. He's going to put that all the way around, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's very cute.
I wish I could put her in. Let her swim.
Let's go see Myrtle. Hey there, Myrtle. Is her shell looking better?
Huh?
Is her shell looking better than when you first...
No, it looks worse, but he said that it'll heal itself. Says we just need to make sure it dries out pretty good. So she's chilling outside today.
I would like to get away if I could.
I want to put her in there, but
Oh.
hadn't treated the water.
Just let him see a camera. The boy gets all smiles.
What's that?
What's that one gonna do?
I'll run the turtle. I gotta lift this up higher so we have more depth of water in here.
I don't see how that works, but I guess.
Do you, Mom?
No, not to make it deeper in there, no.
Well, see, the water's running out quicker than we can get it back in there.
Oh, that, okay. Well, if that's what the problem is, I suppose I could understand that.
Mom?
Once you stop.